Now I might want to give it to somebody to install. Or I might want to install it on another computer. Because since it's using desktop couch, that means that records are being stored in CouchDB, which means if I have my Ubuntu One account set up, this will be automatically replicated for me across all my different machines. So then my DVD collection would be available from my netbook in the living room, from whatever, from my desktop in my office, from wherever I'm doing it. So let's just make a package, and so that it's easy to share. We're going to do that by going back to the command line. So I'll close him to get my command line back, and I'm going to use, well, let's just do a little bit of work here first. I'm going to go here and open the setup.py file. And I'm going to go in here and just set some basic information about myself in the setup.py file. This just is actually optional for creating a package. It just makes your package a little nicer. So I'm going to say this is a grid for managing DVD collection. I'll just leave it at that. And if I wanted to, I could also go in and edit some other files. Like I could edit the copyright file. I'll do this so that I can apply copyright later if I want to. Quickly, I'll apply the copyright for me automatically if I tell it to. And then the other customization file that's available and quickly, of course, is the desktop file. And here I could go through and, for instance, change the category. The other thing I could go do is edit the icon.png file if I wanted to give it its own icon. But you know what? I'm just going to package it. So I'm going to use the command quickly package, hit enter, and just let this run. Now, what happens is that Python distutils extra is going to look through and see if there's any dependencies that it didn't know about. It did find that it depends on desktop couch. And now it's going through and building for me a package. Now I just watch this go by, make sure I don't see any errors. You can actually capture that output if you want, but it's returned successfully. Now I want to try my package, so I'm going to open my home folder, and you can see it's created a deb file. And a deb file is a package that has all the information that Ubuntu needs to install an application for you. So the unknown here means I didn't give it the full description, but I'm just going to say install package, give it my password, and then just give it a second to unpack it. Does its thing. Working. And it's done. Was installed. I can close that. Now if I go to applications, accessories, DVDs is in there, I can run it from the menu now. And so I could give this deb file to other people or other computers, and they could use it to install. So that is using quickly to quickly create an application and use the couch grid to use desktop couch and CouchDB for storing your data. So hey, I hope that you enjoyed it, and by all means, I hope I see you online and we can talk about quickly.